How to restrict someone on Messenger. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Messenger and log into your account. And say, for example, I wanted to restrict this person right here. All what I need to do is I need to click on the icon that has the letter E at the top right of the screen, this one right here. And once you're here, you need to scroll all the way down to the privacy section, and at the bottom you see the option to restrict this person. So go ahead and click on it, and Messenger here tells you that this will make you see less of this person without blocking them. So what you need to do right here to proceed is click restrict the person at the bottom of the screen, and this person has been restricted, as you can see right here. Messenger here tells you that they can't see when you're online or when you've read their messages. So that was it for this video. That's how you can restrict someone on Messenger. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.